Detroit Land Bank. All right, everybody has asked about, is thinking about, or
Curious.
has heard about the $1,000 houses offered on the buildingdetroit.org website. This house behind me is not a $1,000 house. This house was purchased by my client about 3 years ago in 2015, purchased from a private owner. Now, the purpose of this video and how it's linked to Detroit Land Bank is because this house was recently taken from my client. Now, this house was taken. Now, you'll notice too, the house is secure. Let's take a look at the windows. It's boarded up all the way around, and it is secure. And but the house was still taken. Now, I do understand that it's a nuisance, and neighbors don't want to see this. They want to see beautiful families living in the house. I get that. However, the house was taken. The owner was not notified, and I just want to send a warning. I want to educate and inform today to my investors overseas. Investors overseas, don't hesitate to contact a leasing specialist, renovation specialist, or property manager to handle your property. You may need to put the house together so that you can move a family in there. There's a lot of different options. If you are done with the house, you can contact me for selling your property. I'm full of different resources, so I don't want to see you get taken. I don't want to see your house get taken. So contact Katina, and if you have any questions about this process and how a house can be taken, call me 734-506-0076, and I'll put all my links below. Have a good day.